Hi! In this video tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to install and set up Bitdefender Mobile Security for Android. With that being said, let's get started. Open Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. Search for Bitdefender Mobile Security and Antivirus to locate this app. Tap the Install button. Wait until the download completes. Tap Open. To continue, you have to read and agree with the subscription agreement. Tap the checkbox. Once it's selected, tap Continue. Now it's time to activate Bitdefender Mobile Security. To do this, you must sign in with your Bitdefender Central account. Enter your email address, then tap Next. Enter the password of your Central account. Tap Sign In. Tap Get Started to go through a quick configuration process. Tap Activate to enable web protection. In the accessibility screen, scroll down until you locate Bitdefender Mobile Security. Tap Bitdefender Mobile Security and turn it on. Confirm the action by choosing OK. This will allow Bitdefender to scan the websites you access and warn you about the dangerous ones. Go back to the configuration screen by tapping the small arrow pointing left at the top of the page. Tap Scan Now to scan your device for the first time and make sure it's not infected. Extra permissions are required on Android 6 and later. Tap Allow. Bitdefender will start scanning your Android device. This is the dashboard. Here you will find information about the security status of your Android device and features recommendations. The scan progress is displayed at the top of the dashboard. Wait until it's complete. Now let's activate anti-theft. This will come in handy if you ever lose your phone. Tap Activate. Choose Turn On. Tap Allow 2 times. Tap Turn On. Tap Activate this device admin app. This way, you will be able to remotely track, lock your device from Central and much more. Set an application PIN to prevent unauthorized access to your Android device and apps. The PIN will be used by anti-theft and app lock. Press Turn On to activate Snap Photo. This way, Bitdefender will take a silent photo of the intruder using the front camera. Tap Allow. You are taken to the anti-theft configuration page. Here, you can customize your anti-theft preferences. Let's go back to the dashboard and activate App Lock. This feature helps you restrict access to apps by setting a PIN access code. Tap Activate on the App Lock card. Choose Turn On. Tap Bitdefender Mobile Security, then enable Permit Usage Access. Tap Turn On. Then, switch on Allow Display over other apps. Return to the dashboard and let's take a look at Account Privacy. This feature can help you find out whether your email accounts have been leaked or not. Tap View Accounts. Tap Get Started. Enter your email, then tap Add. A validation code will be sent to that email to confirm that it's yours. Enter the code received via email, then press Validate. Tap Scan Accounts. Go back to the dashboard. It's time to check out Bitdefender VPN. You can use the VPN to maintain your privacy, no matter what network you are connected to. Simply tap Connect, then OK. Tap Disconnect when you want to end the VPN connection. To find out more about the Bitdefender Mobile Security features, you can always tap their corresponding icons from the bottom of the screen. Malware Scanner, Web Protection, VPN, and more. Thank you so much for watching and for choosing Bitdefender as your security solution. We love having you on board. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help, the Bitdefender support site.